Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. We are here today with our 1979 Plymouth Valore station wagon. This is the car we did a big block swap on earlier this year after replacing the slant 6 two-barrel that it originally came with. Um, we were wanting to do a little bit more work to it the car this winter in order to get it 100%, drag race ready and show car ready. Which we like to do a lot of car shows with this car. It fits the whole family and everything. And we wanted to just, we've already taken it to that next level by putting the new power plant in there. But in doing that, we have put a nice shiny heart in a tarnished engine bay. Engine bay never looked bad before with the slant. But now that we have this brand new motor in here, the engine bay has a little bit to, it needs a little bit more. So there's some surface rust in areas that need to be taken care of and just some minor things here and there. But I am at a point where I have to make a decision. So, hoping you guys could help me with this. What would you guys do? My thought earlier was to take the wiring harness out, which I've already done, and take the brake lines out and bag the motor down to its bare essentials and paint the engine bay. Good in thought, but there's the seam sealer needs to be redone, which you could do that with the motor in. It's a little bit more of a pain, but getting the full effect of a repainted engine bay. So my thought process today was pull the motor back out, gut everything we've done, and start over. Just take the whole engine bay down, sand it down, take all the brake lines out, and just do it and do it right. So, but the other train of thought is, doesn't need it. So, what would you guys do? Would you bag the motor, or would you pull the motor and transmission back out and sand it down, give the car show car finish? What would you guys like to see? So, put it down there in the comments. This is our small shop update questionnaire, so to speak. So we're at a little bit of a stall point, trying to make up the old noggin, decide what it's going to do. So, yeah. Appreciate you guys watching. I know it's short, but help us make this decision. So, as always, appreciate you guys watching. This is Dutch Guy's Garage. Always remember, they don't move until you do.